Hello everyone, welcome back. Module 3. My name is Israel Ikumakpai and I'll be taking you through this AI course. In this module 3, I'll be taking you through creative AI applications, that is text to image and design. So here are the objectives of the module 3. So by the end of module 3, students will understand how AI generates images and design assets from text prompts, and also use AI design tools such as Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, and also create brand assets like logo, posters, social media graphics with AI, and also apply prompt engineering basics for better design results. Then the last but not the least, which they can build a mini design project using AI. So let's continue. Stay tuned. Lesson 3.1: Introduction to AI in design, such as Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, Midjourney. What is AI generated design? AI convert text into instructions, prompts into images, designs, or layouts. It saves time, sparks creativity, and help non-designer produce professional results. So this is what um, AI can generate for you just by giving it a prompt, and then it would give you a very um, good result. And here are the popular AI design tools that we have. Apart from these, we have thousands of AI tools, but let me just give you a few of the AI tools. One is Canva AI. In Canva AI, we have Magic Studio. It's for a quick design generation for posters, flyers, presentations, and also Adobe Firefly, the professional image generator, which can generate professional images for you. It's also used for text. You can also create text effects and also branding assets. And the third one is Midjourney. This can be used via Discord. It gives high quality artistic text to image generations. And the other one we have, which is DALI-E, is also a feature of um, ChatGPT, which is created by OpenAI. Leonardo AI, stable diffusion. So going forward, let's take a look at these demo prompts. Open your ChatGPT or your AI, any AI that you use. Now type in this prompt: a futuristic office interior with neon lights, 3D style. So after typing that, let's check the results. And also, here's another prompt as well that you can use, which is a child's book illustration of a boy flying with balloons, watercolor style. So you are specifying the what you want, giving it, that is watercolor style. That is what you want. So, and the third one is a minimalist logo of a tech company called Nextage. So if you practice these three demo prompts, you will see the results. And this is a way of you learning this AI to improve on it. Let's take a look at the activity. Student open Canva AI, generate one poster for an upcoming school slash business event. So this is an activity. Let's open our Canva AI. You need to download the Canva app, or if you don't want to download, you can as well just search for Canva on Google and make use of the web app. So let's try this out by opening our Canva and then typing these prompts. Going forward to lesson 3.2, which will be talking about branding with AI. Branding with AI, what are we branding? We are branding logos, posters, mockups. So these are what we are doing. Firstly, branding with AI. AI can design logos, posters, banners, social media kits, and also product mockups. And this save cost for startups and individuals. So these are what you can do with AI when it comes to branding. And the best practices. This is a tip of what you should know when branding with AI. Always use clear brand keyword, e.g., modern, youthful, luxury, minimalist. So we have a lot of this. These are um, a style, a font style, and the likes. These are font style that we can use. And also generate multiple options. Select the best. So when you are working with AI, you can give it a prompt to generate multiple options that you can use in all this style. Then you select from the best. And the next is customize final design for uniqueness. So after you have used a nice keyword, and out of multiple you have selected the best out of it, then you now customize. And after you give it the prompt, you input the prompt to customize. So, and after you have customized, um if you are not okay with the output, you can also tell the AI to improve on it. So this you can do over time to get the best of what you want. Let's take a look at these prompt examples. Create a modern and minimal logo for a photography business named Lenscraft. So let's type in these prompts and let's see the outcome. Open your ChatGPT or Canva and type that in. The second one is generate a poster for a music concert with Afrobeat theme, bold color. So you are being specific on who and what and why. So you need to be specific with when you are giving AI instruction. And the third prompt is design a product mockup of an energy drink can, make it futuristic style. So this is um, a style. This is a prompt that you can use to generate this. So these are prompts in which you can tweak your own way. Let's take a look at the activity 2. Activity 2 now is for us to implement what we have learned in the prompt. Let's use the prompt. Let's try to adjust the prompts to this activity. Student creates a logo plus social media post for a fictional brand of their choice using Canva AI or Firefly. So open your Canva AI, or if you are good at, or if you want to use Firefly, you can also open it and input these prompts using this criteria of the prompts. So after we have done that, let's go forward to lesson 3.3, which is prompt engineering basic for design. So prompt engineering basic for design is basically giving us or teaching us how we can explain or how we can input our prompts for the machine to understand accurately, because this is AI is a machine, is an artificial intelligence. A machine does not have a sense of its own. It only makes use of the data that it could source, and whatever you input is what it will give you as output. So you need to learn how to how to prompt very well. So this is the basic of prompt design. What is a prompt? Let's take a look at this. A prompt is the instruction you give AI to generate an image or design. So this simply means an instruction that you give to AI. So whatever you input, that is what it will give you as output. So going forward, let's take a look at the quality of prompts equals to quality of design. So like I said, whatever your input is, that is what your output will give. So the quality of your prompt determines the quality of your design. Secondly, elements of good prompt. Here are the elements of good prompts. For you to get a good prompt, there are certain things that you need to know, that you need to apply for you to get a good prompt. And here are the example. Subject. The first one is subject. Subject simply means what the image is about. What is the image about? That is subject. What is the image about? And secondly, style. The style is it cartoon, realistic, 3D, watercolor, or abstract? So this is the style. Then the color tone. Color tone, is it vibrant, dark, pastel, or neon? Any of the color tone. And the fourth one is details. Details simply means the background, the perspective, the mood, and so on. So considering these four elements, if you consider these four elements, you get a good output of um, your design. So considering the subject, the style, color tone, and details. So if you combine these and you have a good prompting skill and you apply this, it will definitely give you a very good design. So these are the elements of good prompts that you need to put into consideration for your design. Example prompt structure. So now this is the structure of the prompt that I explained to you earlier. Subject, comma, in style, that is the style, with color, comma, then details. So here is the example. A futuristic Lagos city skyline at sunset. This is the subject. Then the style is cypunk style, while the um, color is neon colors, and then the detail is cinematic lightning lighting. So if you copy this prompt and then you paste it on your AI, you see what it will give you. I'll still explain this. I will do a demo for us, a video that shows this example that we just talked about. So let's take a look at the demo now. Hands on. Let's do a hands on. on this that we have learned. So instructor demonstrates two prompts, compare output with without detail. So I will do that. Then let's go to the activity 3, which is each student writes a 3 detailed prompts and generates images using an AI tool. So we make use of our ChatGPT. Let's write 3 detailed prompts and generate images using AI tools. So we can as well do this on our ChatGPT. ChatGPT can also create image for us. You can also use it for design. So here we go. So this is the end of module 3. Thank you.